Hey, it's David C. with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
We're out here in Park West. We have a great new suite for lease. 4 offices, but it really feels way bigger than 900 square feet, more like 12 to 1,500 it feels like.
Absolutely. It's a flexible floor plan, great office space, plenty of parking, ground floor access, and easy on and off of 17 here in North Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, you're at the traffic light in a matter of seconds, but if you want to avoid all that, it's connected to Carolina Park, Dunes West. You can slip out the back and go Highway 41, all connected, whether school's in or school's out, easy to move around the neighborhood.
Absolutely. Everyone knows where Salterbeck is here, David. It's a beautiful brick building, so a real private office space.
Yeah, and if you have more than 4 offices for your needs, it has a little reception. It also has a nook that can easily be turned into some type of work area. So this could be very flexible for you if you're looking to upgrade or to downsize. We'd love to show you the property. David C. with the brokerage. You can reach me at 843-364-6720.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage. Give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.